Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you all how to make this very delicious meal that is loved by the Igbos, and it is known as Akidi and Abacha. First we'll start by prepping the Akidi, and Akidi is also known as black beans. It's a legume and it is very high in protein and fiber. It is very nutritious. It also contains folate, potassium, vitamin B6, and phytonutrient content of black beans. I really love the fact that it doesn't take time to cook and it is very easy to prep. Just take off the two edges and then you break into multiple pieces. If you find the hard ones within them while prepping, no need to discard them all. Just take out the beans. The beans are still very much needed. You just discard the back that are very hard or very soft. Once you're done prepping this, you now transfer them into a bowl with enough water to wash, and then once you're done washing them properly, you can now set that aside. Into my pot, I'm going to add in some water, and I would cover that and allow the water to boil. Once the water has come to a rolling boil, I would now add in the akidi. Close the pot and allow that to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Once the beans are ready, I will now transfer into a mortar, and then using the pestle, I would slightly mash this. Now, I am not mashing this to get a very soft consistency. I'm mashing this to get a rough texture. Now my aim has been achieved. I would set that aside, heat up a pot, and then add in some palm oil, salt, onion, some seasoning cube, blended fresh pepper, some upaka, dry fish, and then ogirisi. Note, we are not using ogiri okweyi. This is ogirisi. Now going to combine them all together and fry for about 3 minutes. Then I would add in a little bit of water, cover and allow to cook for about a minute or two. After that, I would add in the abacha mere, and then I would also add in the mashed akidi. Mix that all together to combine. Now, note that I am using abacha mere. Some people call it umputaka or tapioca. But just in all, I'm trying to let you know that this is the particular kind of abacha you use for this recipe. So cook that for about a minute or two, then add in some chopped garden egg leaves and garden egg. Mix that to combine. Our delicious food is ready. I hope you all get to give this a try. Don't forget to like this video, drop your comments, subscribe if you're yet to. Also tap the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Bye guys!